Alright guys, and yes, I found the Masters of the Universe, He-Man vs. Skeletor. This is a new 2026 new truck, this one. Skeletor was released, so it's a re-release. This is from the movie. Skeletor with staff, pretty cool, and then He-Man. So this is from the actual new movie that's coming out this year. The back really has nothing interesting to me. I'd be interested in this, but the thing is I have Mood Crusher, this one, so I wish to hopefully do this one in single. The Batman, I have it. I don't have Joker. Mega Rex, I have it. I have these. I don't have these yet. I have these, but except for that one. There's He-Man, guys. Demolition Doubles. Trucks. Skeletor He-Man. With the fire in the back and the purple. Without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox these bad boys. Got that out. Come on. Please hold it. It's stuck. Sorry, it was stuck on there. So let's get He-Man first. This is a new truck, 2026 new truck. This is really cool. It's He-Man's hair, and then his sword, his loincloth he has, and then it's a Night Shifter casting. The He-Man chest logo, pretty nice with that shiny chrome. I love that. The other side has his sword as well. There's a sword handle, dark brown rims and beadlocks, yellow roll cage, like a lightish yellow chassis. Back of the truck. There's He-Man. Let's go to Skeletor. So here it is, guys. Skeletor. I've had this one before. I got it again. I sold it, but I'm glad I bought him again. There's his staff, the Morning Star, the body, purple roll cage, light purple rims and beadlocks, teal chassis. There's Skeletor's face, the teeth, and then the engine in the front. Pretty cool, guys. So this case is out now, guys. Check your local Walmarts and Targets. Like, subscribe, comment, share, because more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.